y'all. Today's video, we driving to a job today. We got a water heater that has to, we have to fix an element on it. With that, we got to drain the water heater, then put the element out. We're gonna clean inside a little bit. But today's video ain't even about that. It's about priorities. You know, priorities when it comes to work and when it comes to fun. You know, everybody wants to have fun. Everybody does. I love to have fun. But at the same time, I know I got a priority to work. And that priority to work sometimes comes over fun because you haven't worked yet. How you gonna have fun and you ain't even worked yet? You ain't done any work. You know, basically this is the kids coming up in the trades and even the older people, you know. And it's crazy because you want to have fun, and then no work involved. You know, I was listening to Eric Thomas, YouTube motivational speaker, and he speaks about that. You want to have fun, but you don't even want to. You ain't even done no work yet. How you gonna work? You got to work first. So, you know, it's nothing like, you know, oh well, you can't have fun because you're always working. No, you got to make time for both. You know, you have to make time for both. But you know, whenever it's the, you know, whatever hours it is to work, you know, you usually don't tell your boss, well, I'll come in after I'm done having my fun. No, they're usually schedule you a time to work, and then you go work, and then you go have your fun. But why don't people do that in their businesses? Why don't they do that in their lives? They just do it when it appeases them. You know, I see adults out here doing the same thing. You know, and it's like, why aren't we teaching our kids to work first and then go have your fun? You know, and that work may not be a lot of work. It's just a little bit of work, and then you go fun the rest of the day. So when it all boils down, it's just about taking priority. What's a priority? You know, because if you're having all that fun right now, that fun is going to catch up with you. And then you're going to be 40, 50, 60 years old. Now you're working so much because you had all the fun when you were young. You know, I say work a little bit now, you know, because that's really what it is. You're just working a little bit to have a lot of fun later. You know, and then they say, oh, well, you know, my life is, you know, life is short. Well, yeah, it's short. But I feel like if you're here, we're meant to work. You know, we're meant to have some fun too, but we're meant to work. And that's just what we do as human beings. You know, when you think about it, it's work to get out of the bed sometimes. It's work to take a shower. It's work to do the dishes. It's work to do your chores, whatever the case. And if somebody's always giving you something, you don't cherish it as much as when you worked for it. It took me a long time to realize that. When someone gave me something, I didn't cherish it. But when when I worked for that and I put in the effort to go out there and work for it, then it was just, I learned a whole lot more. For one, how much is that worth? How much is that time worth? Because you can't create any more time. You can create more money, but you can't create more time. And then that's another thing that they, you know, misconstrue about, oh, fun. Well, you should have all the fun you can right now. Well, I mean, regardless, you're still going to have to work. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video. Thank you. Have a great day.